Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at adjectives. First of all, what's this? Yes, it's a shirt, but what kind of shirt? What's it made of? It's a cotton shirt. And what's this? Yes, it's a ring, but what kind of ring? It's a gold ring. And what's this? Yes, it's a bag, but what kind of bag? It's a plastic bag. Cotton, gold, silver, all of them nouns, names for things, but you can use them as adjectives. A cotton shirt, a gold ring, a plastic bag. English grammar, adjectives, easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. See you next time. Bye for now.